Next topic is stereotypes. Sometimes we assign some qualities to a group of people, thereby forming a particular image of them. These image or belief about a person or a group of people based on the idea that everyone in that particular group will look or act in the same way is called stereotype. So what does the term stereotype means? For example, this is a belief, okay, or the image which we form regarding a person belong uh, regarding a person, or they belong to different communities or different religion. Okay, that particular thing is called the stereotype. That means we think that is the image or the belief which we have for a person or a group of people of different communities. Why? Because the society says so. So these belief or these image is called a stereotype. Let us look at some example of stereotyping. Now we will discuss what are the examples of stereotype. Okay, and with the help of example we will understand what actually the term stereotype means. First example: little Rohan fell down and start crying. His mother picked him up and consoled him by saying that boys don't cry. So here is a little Rohan, or a boy who fell down and he start crying. Okay, his mother his mother picked him, okay, and try to console him that don't cry. Why? Because boys don't cry. So this is the example of stereotype that our society has set up, that boys in whatever situation they are, whether they are in the worst situation, they don't cry. So this is the example of stereotype which is decided by our society. Next example: Rishi wants to learn Bharatnatyam along with his sister, but her father disagree. Okay, Rishi is a boy, okay, and he is very interested to learn the classical dance form, that is Bharatnatyam, along with his sister, who is also uh, learning the Bharatnatyam. Okay, but his father, that means Rishi's father, disagreed. That means he rejected uh, this demand of Rishi. Why? Because according to our society, only girls are allowed to perform the Bharatnatyam. That means dancing. Okay, boys are not allowed. So this is an example of stereotype. Okay, now I think you have understood what does the term stereotype means. It is a belief or an image which we make for a person doing doing different types of thing, maybe in the field of dance, singing and so on, or a whole community, which is decided by whom? Our own society. When we stereotype people, we categorize them into certain groups. Okay, so when we think a belief or an image about a people, we try to categorize or we try to differentiate them in various groups. A common example of stereotype in the society is associating dolls, clothes, cooking, crying and shopping with girls. So it is a belief that all these things, that means dolls are being played by the girl, girls like lots of clothes, girls have the duty to cook the food, they cry every now and then, and the girls like to shop. So these categories belong to whom? Girls. If boys do these type of things, they are discriminated in the society and they are treated in a very bad way. And associating with cars, outdoor games and bikes with boys. So this is a belief that boys, they like cars, they play outdoor games like cricket, football, basketball, volleyball and so on, and the boys like to ride the bikes. So these are the, you can say, stereotype thinking that boys do these kind of things. Okay, these are the stereotype beliefs or thinking which our society had made. Okay, and if a boy and a girl do outside these belief, they are criticized. Okay, if a girl happens to love cars and bikes, we say that girls has boy like qualities. So if a girl who likes bike, okay, who likes to ride the bikes and car. So what do our society say? Our society says that these girl have the boy like qualities. That means the girls have the girl is behaving like a boy, okay. Similarly, if a boy cries, we tell him not to cry like girls. So similarly, if a boy cry in any situation, we consider him, or we try to refer him as that, don't cry like a girl, because girls have the habit to cry in every situation. So these are the stereotype belief which still prevails in our society. Stereotypes are unfair because they prevent us from treating people as unique individuals with different qualities, abilities, likes, and dislikes. So, because of these stereotypes, it is very unfair. Why? Because we try to judge the people on the basis of their of with respective to their different qualities. That means if a boy behave like a girl, we treat them in a very unfair manner, right? Their abilities, their likes and dislikes. So that's why stereotype is a is an unhealthy practice, and we should avoid this practice. Prejudice, stereotype, and discrimination often lead to inequalities in society. So because of prejudice, stereotype, and discrimination, because of these three, there is inequalities in our society. We try to differentiate each other on the basis of these three factors, and hence there is a and hence there is an unhealthy society.